Hello, what is up you guys, Ashes here, today with another video. And today we're going to be reacting to funny vines. I have my two friends here. Alright guys, whoever laughs gets shot with this BB gun. Alright, let's do it.
When I think about my worries and I think about my strife, here is what I simply
Hey, if you smell that.
You got it.
Say something.
You're smiling.
Alright.
But I didn't.
You lose.
You're getting shot. No, why? What? No. Fine, I'll give you another chance.
How is this possible?
This man sucks. Con otro. No, usted otro.
Alright guys,
Sorry.
Axel laughed. Wait, stop.
Please don't. No.
Let me see if it's...
No! Where?
Okay.
Where? Ah! No, fine. Not close. Not fine. Ready? Ready? No. Alright, ready?
Wait.
Ready? Yes, go!
Say something. Alright guys, Axel got out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe.
Peace on the streets.
And peace guys, peace. Axel, do you have any... Bye guys. Wait, stop. I didn't even laugh. Let's watch the video.
Everyone's getting shot today.